Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only did the price have a very nice day from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 58 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 58, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, and if you're somebody that's just saying, look, Clay, just give me a straightforward way to gauge the strength of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Watch the purple line. As that purple line itself moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full control of the chart. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, staying above 58 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward. Party stop today right up there at 64 cents. So 64 will be public enemy number one going further. But really, all in all, the top priority, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed, and that's what you want to see. So focus on those higher lows and just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.